We've arrived at the trampoline. Oh crap. No, don't get stuck in the river. Alright. Let's get it on in here. Alright, we slipped. I gotta get in here. Oh no. Okay, I just totally destroyed it. Crap. Look at those tire tracks. It's like right where I broke up all the ice. I just got stuck. Tires are really digging. Oh man. It's dead. That's great. And no, it's not. Just got bogged down in the... Hold on. Yeah, it's not... I thought the battery was dying, but it's just... The battery's starting to go. The ice is starting to break up. Just having trouble digging. Alright, this is dead. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.